Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Session Skate Sim multiplayer. To get started, you'll need to use Steam Remote Play Together, which is the main way to enjoy online sessions with friends. This feature allows you to host the game from your computer, and your friends can then connect remotely to join your session. Currently, the primary mode supported for this is the classic game of Skate, where players take turns. Before inviting anyone, you'll need to configure Steam Remote Play. First, right-click on the Steam icon in your taskbar and choose Settings. From there, click on Remote Play in the left-hand menu. Make sure the Enable Remote Play box is checked. For a smoother experience, you can also explore the advanced host options to fine-tune settings like bandwidth and resolution, ensuring the best possible stream for everyone. With Remote Play enabled, launch Session Skate Sim. Once the game is running, press Shift plus Tab to bring up the Steam overlay. Find your friend in your friends list, right-click their name, and select Remote Play Together to send an invitation. After your friend accepts, close the overlay. In Session, press the Start button, go to the Experimental menu, and select Game of Skate. Then, choose the desired number of players, up to a maximum of 4. Now it's time to start shredding. Each player needs to press the A button on their controller to lock in as a participant. Once everyone is ready, confirm your selections and hit play to begin your game of Skate. You and your friends will then take turns performing tricks. Keep in mind that this remote play multiplayer is still an experimental feature, so you might encounter minor bugs or occasional crashes. Enjoy your session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.